Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accusatory. 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 Accusatory is an adjective that describes a tone or manner that is characterized by making accusations or attributing blame to someone. It suggests a sense of blame, censure, or disapproval. Here are some examples. Example number 1. During the argument, their accusatory language created tension and hostility. Why accusatory is used in example number 1. In an argument, accusatory language contributes to tension and hostility due to its blame-filled tone. Example number 2. Accusatory emails between colleagues worsened the workplace dispute. Why accusatory is used in example number 2. In workplace conflicts, accusatory emails can exacerbate the dispute by assigning blame. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.